going to take a look at how to construct parallel and perpendicular lines. So you guys are in the classroom actually, so I'm just recording this so that you can go back and access it later, but I wanted to do it in here so that we could spend some time looking at it. So today you're going to learn how to construct a parallel line, a perpendicular line, and a perpendicular line that's through a point on the line and through a point not on the line. You guys have the notes in front of you, but they're just basically the steps. Watch how I do them. So we're going to start with a parallel line. And with a parallel line to a point, okay? So I've got this point N, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a line through H and N. So I'm just going to draw a quick little line through these here. And you're going to use a straight edge to do that. I just use the line tool, obviously. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct an angle that is congruent. So I'm going to take my compass and put the end here on that point, and then I'm just going to draw an arc, if you remember how to construct congruent angles. So I'm going to draw an arc through here. I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to draw another arc here. So there's that arc with that same measurement. I'm then going to bring my compass down here, and I'm going to open it so that it is the same, I'm going to do some rotating, width as that. Okay, so we're looking at the intersections. I'm going to then bring it up to this point here where they intersect, and I'm going to draw another arc. Or I think I'm going to draw another arc. There we go. There's our other arc. And now my perpendicular or parallel line is going to be where the arcs intersect and through that point. So here is going to be, that doesn't look parallel. It's supposed to be parallel. Let me see if I can. Parallel lines are kind of hard to draw. Not my favorite thing to do. Looks a little bit better. There we go. That looks a little bit better, but what we're doing is we're constructing that angle right there, okay, to make sure that that angle's the same, and that's because our corresponding angles are congruent. Does that make sense? It's hard to do on the smartboard with that. All right. To draw perpendicular from a point on a line to a line, I've got my compass again. I'm going to open up my compass so that it's greater than the distance between the lines. So I'm going to open it up so that it is bigger than that. Okay, I'm going to draw an arc that goes through the line. Okay, I'm going to go down where they intersect here, and I'm going to draw, intersect there, and I'm going to draw another arc. So an arc down here. Going to come down here. I'm going to flip that around somehow. Where is it? Flippy thing. There we go. Flip it around. Oh, crud. It's not the same. All right. So we're going to go back up here. And let's measure this out so I can make sure I have it the same length. All right, so there it's the same length. And I'm going to draw my arc again, another arc. And my perpendicular is going to be where that point is, here, and through the arc. Definitely, I think that's a lot easier than parallel. I don't know about you guys. All right, so there is my perpendicular. Got that? All right, the next one we're going to do is perpendicular at a point on the line. So what we're going to do is we're going to construct, and we're going to make 2 points that are equidistant, and we're going to use our compass to do that. So you're going to open up your compass. Open up our compass. Okay, and we're going to draw arcs again. right? And we're going to make it a little bit larger. Let's make it larger. And then we're going to go to each point again. Bam. And we're going to draw an arc. And we're going to come over here and flip our compass around. And same arc. It didn't change distance, did it? Doesn't look like it. And we're going to draw the other arc there. And now our perpendicular, a little bit off. I'm going to draw the straight line through those. I just want to do the one end. One end. And there is our perpendicular through there. Okay. So those are 3 different places, ways that you can look at that. I want to quickly show you a website. It's mathisfun.com. And with mathisfun.com, if you go to geometry or if you just Google constructions, okay, it gives you a whole list of animated constructions that are just as similar into the point. So you can see that here they're showing you how to construct that perpendicular line or that parallel line. Probably looks like they did it a little bit better than me, but that's just another resource that you can get. So see, I did it right. I must have opened up the compass a little bit different. So that's just another resource for you guys to go. You can Google or Bing Math is Fun, where you can see it up there. Okay. So hopefully today you saw how to construct a parallel line, how to construct a perpendicular line. We did perpendicular bisectors in chapter 1. The other thing I would say on your homework is you're going to have to construct a quadrilateral, which is a figure that has how many sides? 4 sides, okay, with 2 parallel sides of certain lengths. So you got to kind of put some things together. I know I went through it quick. Does anyone have any questions? Dean? Which perpendicular? Okay, I will, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this off, and then I will do it, okay? All right.